Hello students, welcome back to our channel Diksha Karnataka. So here is a big update for all the JEE students who have written the first paper of JEE Mains on 4th, 5th, 6th, 8th and 9th April. So your response sheet and the provisional answer key is out. So there are 2 days you can challenge this answer key, that is from 12th April to 14th April up to 11 PM. You can challenge if you find any question given by the NTA is wrong. You can challenge it, and the cost for each question will be 200 rupees to challenge them. So in this video, I'll be telling you how to check your response sheet and how can you challenge any question. Okay. So first of all, you have to go to the browser, type JEE Mains and then go to the first website, that is jemain.nta.ac.in. Okay. After clicking on this link, you will be directed to this page. In this page, click here to answer key challenge. After you click here, you will be going to this page. Okay. So in this page, type your application number, date of birth and the security pin. Check it properly from your admit card and do it, and then click on submit button. So after you click on submit button, you will get directed to this page. So in this page, you can see here it is in view answer sheet. So click on this view button. Okay. After you click on this view button, you will be getting this page. Okay. So this is your response sheet. You can see your application number, name, roll number, your exam time and everything is mentioned here. So just check that. Now in these this one, here you have your question type. Okay, question type, question ID and the option IDs are given to here. So now there is a different process how you can check like what is the correct answer for each question. So I'll tell you how to do that. Okay, so to check the answers whether it is correct or not, so first you have to go to this page again and click on the challenge button. Okay, so once you press the challenge button, you can see here this sheet. Okay, so this is the question ID and this is the correct answer that has been given by the NTA. So these, as I showed you before, you have this question IDs here. So they have to check the question ID and the answer key from this. Okay, so correct answer IDs are given, question IDs are given. So just tally them and then you can tell whether your answer is correct or not. So your response sheet, you have to download it. You cannot open both the windows at the same time. So just download first the response sheet, then go to this tab and then check one by one all the answers. Okay, so any other doubt if you have, you can comment down, we'll address it. So the link for checking the answer keys will be given in the description section. If you have any difficulty there, you can go and check the links. Thank you.